Hi, everybody.
I'm Vic.
And I'm Kerin.
And we are the Real Weekend Warriors.
Okay, folks, we are here at where?
Oh, I don't know.
He don't know where we are. He drove us here.
I drove us here. Where are we? We are at I can't remember the name.
We're at Winton Woods.
Winton Woods, Cincinnati.
In Ohio. Cincinnati, Ohio. Yeah. We just got here. We had a long day at work. And we made the drive about how long of a drive?
About hour 45 minutes.
From where we are. Mm-hmm. So we just got set up and everything. And now, of course, it's time to eat.
Yep, time to eat. Kick back and watch a little TV. And then we will kind of explore the park.
Yep.
Tomorrow, or the campground tomorrow.
But I'm going to talk him into going out here and starting a fire tonight. We've been getting rained out of being able to start a fire. So either the wood was wet or it started raining when we started. But the last couple of trips, we haven't been able to get us a good fire going. So it's kind of cloudy right now. As you can see behind, we have an excellent site. This is site 1R. So if you go to Winton Woods, it's like the first spot as you come through the gate. We're kind of right across from the shower house and the restrooms. We were across from that last week at, where were we last week? West Branch. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so we was about the same distance from the shower house as we are right now. So our method to booking seems to be working. We kind of book hand in hand, so we get some pretty decent sites. But people are still rolling in. What you liking so far?
It's completely level.
Oh yeah, yep.
I didn't have to do nothing. I thought I was going to have to do something with the jacks, mm-hmm. the jack, but nothing. Everything perfect.
Yeah, and we have. And they don't actually tell you on the site that it's a handicap spot, and they don't stop you from booking it either. So we've end up in a couple handicap sites, which those sites are double wide, so you have a whole lot of concrete to get set up on, and not in dirt and gravel, rocks and stuff. Mm-hmm. So. This is definitely a good site. So far, that's what I see as far as a pros.
Yep, very spacious. Very spacious.
Yeah, you're not really close to anyone. Even the other sites have a lot of space in between them. So once we get out tomorrow, we will definitely do a tour, a nice tour. We've heard great things about this campground from other YouTubers we follow. So shout out to you guys because you helped encourage this booking.
We noticed a little. I'm not sure. We're going to find out, but we think we noticed just a little issue with the water. Now we're not having a problem with water pressure, but what it looks like is, and it's not just us, which I thought it was, but we're looking at other campers. They're going around and messing with their fittings on the outside because water is actually leaking a little bit.
Yeah.
So I don't know what that's all about. I thought it was just us because we had a little puddle come from the water side, the connection side, to the entrance side.
Right.
So I thought, maybe just the fittings, I didn't put them on there tight enough. I went out, took them off, rearranged stuff, put plumber's tape, thinking that would seal it, but still had the little dripping.
Right.
Then I started noticing other campers coming out and messing with theirs.
Yeah.
So we'll investigate that.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the park is nice.
Yeah. So we'll be back. Okay, guys. I am back and I am solo. I am taking a little stroll. Actually, I just come from the little camping store here at Winton Woods in Cincinnati. And I looked around the store. I was able to get my little magnet. They do have magnets. So all the ladies that are collecting the magnets on the fridge, they do have them. But I think the one I had was $4. I'm gonna have to show you because I got it earlier today. But this time I got some candy. Nothing but some sweet stuff. So I'm making my way back. We're not that far. Matter of fact, we're sitting right there. We're sitting right there. And then the turnaround, then you got the dump station over there. And then if you see that building up there, I'll zoom in. That is the camping store. So it's a very short walk from where we are. Now I chose this spot back in December. Yeah, in December I was able to book here. So I got this site there, and this site, like you saw earlier, is definitely a nice size site. You know, everywhere you go, you have some pros and cons. So overall, I actually like Winton Woods. I mean, I would definitely book this again. So I'm heading back over here. These guys were flying their drones.
Okay, folks, out for another ride today. See the different sites here. Seems like all the ones in the middle, they are paved, but all the other ones on the outside are gravel. So this is where we're at. I'm not heading down to see camping with the Abercrombies. Let's see, where is Aaron? Said he was down here on the end somewhere. Got some nice rigs out here. Morning, how you doing?
There is
camping with the Abercrombies, and Aaron is solo this time. And there's Mrs. Small, Korean, of the Real Weekend Warriors, and her brother, her younger brother, little brother as she calls him. Alright folks, so we'll give you some more tours. Evidently they have Wi-Fi here too, as you can see from the let's see if I can get that in there. Yeah, but our it's so-so. They have the same problem over here. Look, they got the same problem. So it is the water pressure here from our gauge when we first initially hooked up was at 60 psi, and you do not want that amount of pressure going through your lines, because your lines are not built for that. In your house maybe, but not in your rig. So our pressure is set at 40. But we do have some people who are out here and have no connection, no pressure regulator whatsoever. So that can definitely damage your lines. And we are back.
He cold, y'all. I told him if you work up some energy.
Well, let's keep going.
You would stop, but
no, now she tired.
No, I ain't tired. I ain't that tired.
Let's keep going then.
Where we going? Go down.
Then go down. We'll circle. Okay, so this is our spot. What is our spot? R1.
R1.
It is a handicap spot, but when you're booking, they don't tell you that. They give you the spot.
And we're glad that they did, because we like it. Other than those minor water, and it looks like it's going to try to dry up.
Yeah, it's going to dry up.
So, when you're camping, you got to go with the flow.
Yep. And there's the shower house, bathroom right there.
Okay, guys, the shower house is very nice as well. Here's their little laundry room if you don't happen to have laundry in your rig. There's a couple here. It's on the back side of the shower house. And the door is locked at 11 p.m. They have some COVID rules here at Winton Woods. So always check the website. Things could change. And then you got the front of the shower house here. Men's and women's. So you guys stay tuned for more video.
So I fixed the water leak at the rig. I fixed that. So it is not dripping anymore. Put plumber's tape. I also put plumber's tape where the gauge is. The pressure regulator. It's just slight dripping. But the problem is right there. That, as you can see, is just dripping like crazy. Fortunately, it is going into the grass and not under the rig. So I think the repairs that I did took care of that problem. It's just that right there needs to be looked at. Alright, so here we go. We'll take another look around. Okay. Yep.
Let's go straight across. There's no outlet. Down and around the campus.
So, going again, and we've got cabins to our left. This is 1C. No RVs beyond this point. Very nice. Very nice area. Cabins. Cabins, very nice. And
This would be nice for a family came down.
no, he's on a string. We'll be doing some renovations back here in this area. Yep. Some nice areas. All right, so we got to turn around. Yep. All right, water down there. Fishing and launch access area, way back there. Way back there.
I don't know.
That's why I stayed up here. It's very nice, very peaceful out here.
So do they fish from right here?
I don't know. This is our first time ever coming here.
Okay, all see. All this here, we come from Columbus.
All right, we come from up near Marysville.
Okay, yeah.
We're down here. My brother and sister-in-law live like half an hour from here. And we all came down.
Some more sections back here. 47 campsite. So, morning. So they got spots back here for every type of rig. Good morning. It's big. No, keep going straight because I see a play area over there. Yep, the tents back here. Good morning. Yeah, that's why. This area here for the kids. And it's, these are sites here. Whoops.
You could went fishing.
Mm-hmm.
He didn't want fish today, y'all, because I wasn't cooking no fish.
Yeah, just do some catch and release.
Something to do.
Yep. This is real nice.
How this is open now. This is nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sit around the water. You bring your chair right here.
Mm-hmm.
Set up you a little picnic fishing for the day. Because there's no fight.
And we're back at this area here again. Kerin kept telling me I was missing the Bigfoot. And I was like, where? And he told me it's back here in the tree, and I found him. There he is right there. Hiding under the tree. And how do you like that? We don't need it. We just drive around it. Yeah. Okay, so there's our campsite there. And we are heading up to the check-in area. Check-in up here. And there's the check-in area up there. Over, if you have visitors, they can park here and walk down to where you're at. Alrighty. Employees parking, and it looks like they have a bridge there walking over the lake, which I know Kerin probably will not do, but we'll see. Yeah, here's a little I want to take a picture from that bridge. Bird there flying over. And from here, this is what you get to see. And of course, she's walking the bike because she's afraid. That's about as far as she's going to go. She doesn't like heights. This is real nice. Somebody doing some fishing from a boat right there in the corner. Just barely see him. There he is. Right there. This is a very, very nice park. And then way on the water on this side here, we have some people canoeing. There they are. There they are right there. All right. That's it, folks. We're going to be heading back. So far, I give this park an A. I would give it an A+, but there's just a little bit of water issue. And that's it. We'll have some more pictures and videos coming a little bit later.
Everybody, good morning, happy Sunday, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers.
Happy Mother's Day.
We have wrapped it up and we are rolling back. We had to get up and kind of hurry because the rain was coming, and as you can see, we didn't make it. The rain has definitely caught us. We're heading back from Winton Woods in Cincinnati, Ohio. And I must say that it was definitely a pleasant campground. We truly enjoyed ourselves and we dodged the rain quite a bit. But we had to pack up and head on back. Vic did get caught in it a little bit trying to hook up and everything, but we started out early. It's about 10:30. We have about an hour till we get home. So we just wanted to end our video. We hope you all enjoy some of our aerial videos this time. We end up figuring out how to work the drone. Well, Vic did. Vic, you did a good job with the drone video, so we hope you all enjoyed that part of our video. We're trying to upgrade our videos this year, so be sure to give us a thumbs up for our video this time and any other videos that you check out. We have something else in line for next week, so until next time, guys, I'm Kerin.
I'm Vic.
And we are the Real Weekend Warriors.